everyone. Happy Thursday. You are almost there. So hang tight while I go over today's activities. Here we go. All right, slideshow video. Sorry about my dog if you hear her barking. Goodness gracious. All right, read every day. Please make sure you're reading every day for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Table of contents, and your learning goal for the week. Students will identify similarities and differences of details in order to determine patterns in behavior of parents and offspring that help offspring survive. Your reading success criteria. The student can determine the main topic after reading an informational text. The student can identify key details that support the main topic of the text. The student can identify a focus detail and another focus detail in a text. And the student can describe the connection between the two details in a text. Okay, your writing success criteria, I'm only going to go over that last one because that's what our focus is this week. The student can gather information from provided sources to answer a question in writing. That question will be coming next week. So please make sure you're really paying attention to all the reading and research you're doing this week. And your science success criteria. The student can use grade level books and other reliable media to gather scientific information about patterns of behavior of parents and offspring. All right, your essential question is the same as the one that we had on Monday. It is, how are young animals How are young animals alike and different from their parents? Today we will listen to a read aloud in order to explain how young animals are similar and different from their parents. All right, please don't forget about your end goal. At the end of next week, we will be completing this assignment with an opinion writing to go with it. So keep this in mind. That is your end goal. All right, today you are going to listen to me read aloud a story. The story is Dogs and Their Puppies. It is an informational text, and it is very important that while you're listening to this story, think about dogs and puppies and how they are the same and how they are different. So you're going to click on this link right here, Dogs and Their Puppies, and then you will go to the YouTube video and watch while I read aloud Dogs and Their Puppies. After you listen to that read aloud, you're going to complete this assignment on Google Classroom, and I'm going to show you what it is. So on Google Classroom, you're going to go to Adult and Baby Animals, Science 514. And you're going to click it. And for this assignment, you are going to compare and contrast an adult dog to a baby puppy. All right, so we have a dog and a puppy. You're going to tell me 2 things that are the same and 2 things that are different. I already have text boxes there for you. So you're just going to click in there and do your writing of how are they the same and how are they different. I want you to think outside of physical features. Think about the things you learned about in the text that I read, okay? Think about the things that are explained about how a puppy grows up. Think about those things, not just that they look alike or they look different from each other, okay? Tell me more than that, how they act, what they do, okay? And that is all for that assignment. And I think that's all for today. Yep. So for Thursday, you're going to listen to a read aloud and then complete the assignment about adult and baby animals and how they are similar and how they are different. If you guys have any questions about today, please let me know. And I will talk to you tomorrow for a fun Free Friday. I have a little surprise for you to go with Free Friday, so make sure you watch that slideshow video. All right, have a great Thursday.